Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on this outlet, which is GFCI protected, and it's not working. Let's fix it. I first removed the plug which is connected to my sprinkler system and try the reset button, and it's not working. Hey, it only takes a second to like and subscribe to the channel, which will really help it out. So I get the voltmeter and test to see if we have any power, and as you can see, we don't have any power. So then I take the outer cover off so we can start replacing it. With the cover off, I test it one more time and it still don't work. So I head over to the breaker box and turn off the breaker. And now it's safe to remove the outlet. I head back to the breaker box to turn the breaker on because I want to check the circuit to see if we're getting power to the plug. And sure enough, we're getting power, so it's the plug that's the problem. I head back over to the breaker box to turn the breaker off because I don't want to get electrocuted while I'm replacing this plug. And before I start to disconnect it, I check the voltage one more time and we have no voltage. So let's proceed. I'm only protecting one circuit. I only need to plug it to the line side. If I had other plugs to connect, then I would plug those to the load side, as you can see in the diagram. Once all the connections are made, then I stuff it all back in the box and screw it down tight. I head back to the breaker box to turn the breaker on because I want to check to see if this plug is working. After hitting the reset switch and checking the voltage, we have voltage, the plug is good. Last thing to do is put the cover back on and plug in the water sprinkler. That's another project fixed. Thanks for watching.